everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this product right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So it is by this brand right here, and it is a Mermaid Play Sand Kit. But let's see what my daughters think about it. Inside of this, you're going to have a little clam to where you can put your mermaids in. You have some jewels, a treasure chest. You have all these different sand toys, a little roller. You have 3 mermaids, and then 2 bags of sand, and a little plant.
One in your pocket.
So as you can see, it's like kinetic sand.
Yeah, it connects.
That doesn't count, please.
Mama, can you open it?
Here, let me see.
Let's make it
I won't hit
Where are we gonna dump this at? In there?
right there.
Look at all the treasure.
This time it's orange.
Cool. Okay, let's open it up and start putting some of our treasure in here.
There's a crab.
Oh, it's a little crab.
It's a beautiful crab.
Some money.
It's the one had the last time.
Yeah.
This cool fella.
Look, you can put some of this.
And then put these.
It's got pearls.
Wait, we can put a whole bunch in there, flat it, and then we can put pearls, and then put the mermaid.
See?
Okay, we should put more and then make it all soft.
Oh, yeah?
Come on. Dump
Okay,
it
so
out.
let's open it.
Dump it out. Okay, let's do this. Dig. Get it in. Dig. Get it in. You could be that one. We still have to do the outro, intro, and outro.
Look how pretty and perfect. That's even better than like regular sand. Crunch.
I want to try and make one of those.
I think that's the best one. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.